Okay, so today we're going to go ahead and talk about doing some bookmarks managing for PCManfm. Now, what is that? So if you look over on this side, you'll see all these bookmarks, right? Now, a lot of the time what happens is if you're messing with like, I don't know, 5, 10, 20 servers or whatever, you're a network administrator, you're probably going to find out it's a pain in the ass because you're going to be switching around, then you're going to change one setting, and then after you change that setting, then it causes a domino effect and it breaks your other settings, and then you find out you're running around in a circle, right? You don't know what's going on anymore. Well, a good way to unify this is to go ahead and edit the bookmarks file. Yes, there is a bookmarks file. It's with Linux. Everything usually has a file it's saved in. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. So I'm going to go ahead and do a bat into home user.config and then gtk 3.0 and then bookmarks. Yeah, it doesn't make sense either. I didn't think it did. They got the bookmarks under the GTK theme. So anything I'm guessing that uses GTK is also going to be importing those bookmarks, which I guess actually does make sense. So if I go in here and I bat that out, what you're going to see is you're going to see all these links, right? So to make things easier for me, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that these point to the correct location, right? So what I'm going to go ahead and do here is I'm going to open up, this is a script I use called Server Monitor, and I have a list of servers up here at the top, right? Ignore that password you just saw, you didn't see it. I'll cut that out, you didn't see that. Anyway, okay, so these are all the servers I manage right here. It's quite a few, right? And just with some experience that I've learned from this, you end up going back and forth and making yourself look like an idiot, and maybe you lose the customer's data or this and that. So it's good to make sure the system you're setting up is redundant so that it can take hits. In the computer world, you only want your stuff to be taken down by by two things, and that's God and a nuke. Otherwise, if you're still in that area, then it's not reliable for crew operations. So, this, if you keep going down here, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to do Brophy. Yeah, so if I go to my, not the Roughly config, but the, let me see if I can put the PCMan. Okay, so I was starting to do it right here, right? And, I'm just gonna do the scripting for y'all so y'all can see what I'm doing and how I manage my systems, right? So, here's the file, home user.config gtk3 bookmarks, right? So if we do the home symbol, obviously we're not going to do the rest of that. I'm going to go ahead and paste that here, like that, and then you see how I did config GTK3 bookmarks right here, so that's going to be the home, right? But obviously, we're going to want this for all the systems, right? So we're going to want to make sure it's running in my array. So we'll go ahead and paste that there. That's the cat UF, right? And I'm going to go ahead and tap that out since we got autopilot now. We got the AI helping us, or Cortana. Cortana is helping us. And then install PC, yeah, right here. Install PCManfm with bookmarks, right? And go over here. I cat that into install PCManfm with bookmarks.sh, blah, blah, blah. You know what? I don't like that area because that's not making much sense, right? And it's not making much sense I put that there either, right? So I'm going to go ahead and delete this and put it right there, right? So now it's directly connecting. It's doing a cat and it's putting the bookmarks to the bookmarks, right? So now things make things more interesting. I'm just going to cat it and do an X select like that. Okay, now it's in my clipboard. Well, it should be. I guess we'll find out sometimes it's working. Yeah, it doesn't work that bad. X select -B. Okay, it worked out that time. Alright, so, and for you don't know that, if you do the X select, dude, it's the same thing as doing like a control C to copy it or whatever. Anyway, so now, we are in the, these are all the bookmarks, right? And those are the ones that are going to pop up right there. Alright, right there. So, what you can do is if you're building your own script, you can run an array and have it like ping the systems, and if they're online or if it's something that actually exists, you can have it here then, right? So I'm only gonna want the bookmarks that are like legit real. Now, this is the name of the bookmark and this is the actual link, right? This is my Fixed PC Tech channel, right? And I want them organized too. You know, why wouldn't you want these things organized? You want them organized. So, Fix PCNet on everything, video production, fixapctech.net. There's a video channel. Okay, so I have two of these, right? So one of them's legit, one of them's not. But you know what? I'm gonna take both of them out because I made a sim link, and these are a little outdated. In fact, a lot of these are outdated. So I think what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is we're just gonna start from scratch. We're gonna start from scratch. Now, on these, I only want these going to systems that are administrators. So I'm gonna go if. That's a good one, but that's not it. But we'll use that as a base. So go ahead and delete that. And where it says client equals client, instead we're gonna do admin like that. And if admin equals yes, so if it's an admin, we're gonna apply these. So we just do that. Alright, like that. Alright, now right where it says okay, so now we got that there. So anything that's an admin is going to run that array, right? So it does an array, goes through everyone. If it checks out as an admin, it's getting this, right? Now, go into here, and I'm going to go to home, user, config. So, home user, home user config, right? So it's cat home user config. Let's see which ones we want to do. So I'm gonna go to my mount directory, right? I got a lot of stuff here. These are all different servers and stuff, but some of the folders are in work, right? So should probably clear them out, right? I don't want the full directory link, right? What is it? So ls-d -t. I forget. You guys remember this because I don't. Anyway, and I'm gonna do df-a doing one that. What that's just gonna do is gonna show me the ones that are online, right? So I'm gonna want two of these for sure. Fix a PCNet and Fix a PCNet Nextcloud, right? I want to see this one. How's the project? Now this one is not connecting. See, so there's a few things that auto updates. Sometimes I don't like it. Sometimes it just doesn't work. Right. So I don't know why. Because it's supposed to be more reliable, but the other time it's like not. So it's like, huh. That's how things go sometimes. Anyway, so I just put that in there, right? And just go mnt fixapc.net. I'll put fixapc.net, and it's NFS mount. So I'm gonna put that big fat NFS because like that. And I'm gonna copy that line. Do it again, right? And this one's gonna be Nextcloud. Like that. And I'm gonna do that one like that. Right? And it's gonna go directly into my data store folder, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and copy this again. But this time I'm gonna go ahead and change this. And I'm going to go ahead and get some directory listings here. So it's pc.net nextcloud, like that. And then we're going to go into the actual nextcloud folder. And then fix the PC. Right. And then files. Everything. So I want everything in there, right? And you know what? I think I might want, well, there's, yeah, I want just everything. So this is a link to, I want, so I'm going to do a pwd. Grab this here. There we go. And I'm going to name this, everything. That. Alright, everything. We'll go ahead and go down here again. Do it again. And do audio. Video. Audio. Video. Like that. And then audio, video. And then what I'm going to go ahead and do here is we got audio, video. And then we got video production. So CD. Oh, must have done something wrong here. Oh, I think I went to a folder that like does not. Oh, I went to the wrong folder. Oops. Okay, and then files. We have some old stuff like that. Gotta organize this better, but spending time on it right now. Okay, so audio, video, like that. All right. So we got audio, video here. All right, audio, video. And this next cloud just needs to be dropped from there. So, and then I think we have another folder called CD video production. Yeah, we got a video production folder. So we got this one too now. Yeah. Video production. Right. And I think to make the actual location stand out more, what I'm going to go ahead and do is I could just lowercase these, right? So just give you an idea. So that's the NFS. You know, blah, blah, blah. Like that. So I'm just putting my NFS mounts up. Right? Like that. I'm going to go back over to here again. And I'm going to make another one for my fixed PC tech channel. So, that, fixed PC tech channel. Alright, same thing. I'm going to copy this. So if there's a space after, again, it's the name. Tech channel, like that. So fixed PC.net tech channel, right? I'm just going to keep it like that. I'm going to take that out. So there you go. We got that, right? And another thing we need to add at the very top, I like to download everything to my server by default with Google Chrome because it keeps everything organized. So go back over to here. Okay, and I'm gonna go back. And there you go, downloads folder, right? And I'll do a pwd. Downloads, and that's my downloads folder. All the systems will download to by default. Now, here's my Photoshop work. And I got an STA folder, right? STA, Photoshop work. Application JSON. You know, another one to do is backups. So I'm also going to do another one for backups because that's important too. So you just send stuff over. So I'm gonna go ahead and do another one for backups. Right? Backups, just like that. There. And we got some Photoshop work here. I'm not really sure if I want to use that one or not. I think I will. I think I'm going to use this folder. So I'm going to do another one too. This one's going to be Photoshop work. We're going to do one more right here. Photoshop work. Alright. Let's see how that was spelled. Photoshop. Just Photoshop and underscore. Alright. So there you go. So I got my folder, Photoshop work, I got my backups, I got my downloads, and I also have a clients folder I use from time to time. But right now, that's about where I want it. I guess I could do a few more, right? I guess I could put my clients folder. Anyway, that's it. So I'm gonna give y'all a test run and let y'all see how it works. So it's gonna go into there. And that's it. That way they're unified with root and everything else. And I'm going to go ahead and open up my server monitor here. And I'm going to go ahead and run that server monitor script. Hopefully when I open this soon, this will be cleared out correctly. It's going to take a little bit. Obviously, it's going to poke around. Oh, actually, you know what I forgot to do? I actually forgot to put this. So I have this thing go through and it runs all the configs and stuff. That way, if anything messes up, I just run it once. Doesn't take that long, like 5 minutes. Like everything's installed and fixed again. You got to, because sometimes when you're dealing with like an app-based distro and stuff, you know, some of the issues when you start compiling and stuff, you can go back and forth and do a little bit of distro, that distro, and sometimes the system gets a little iffy when you're doing a really custom setup, so you gotta kind of, you know, make up for it. Just kind of how it is. So that's saying press enter when done recording, right? That'd be for this video. Anyway, if y'all like the video, like and subscribe. Hopefully that helped you out with managing your bookmarks and going across other systems and stuff. Just go ahead and like and subscribe.